Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lake, if you don't already know who I am, and I go by Lake Marese, and today we're doing an iPhone 11 update. Okay, this is about to be quick. I wasn't actually going to do this video, but a subscriber asked for me to do it, and I said, I guess I'll go ahead and do it. So this should be short, sweet, you know, straight to the point, boom, boom, and we will be done. I just got through cleaning. I sprayed a little too much bleach, and my nose is burning. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up, all right? All right. So I'm going to go over the cons first. I have the list right here on my phone. Cons are way less than the pros, so it's might as well just go ahead and get out the way. Not trying to be like negative first or nothing like that, so we can go ahead and get on to the good stuff. Okay, all right. So for the first con, I would say is the poo front camera at nighttime. I just noticed that the quality is different in my old iPhone at nighttime compared to like my phone now. I will add in a video or even a picture compared to like on my iPhone 8 Plus compared to now, so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's just different. It's not giving what it was supposed to be giving, and I'm not, you know, a fan of that, okay? But the world is not ending, and I choose to just not take selfies at nighttime, so I'm not disappointed or upset. So, you know, we will keep it going. The second con, Face ID. I'm not sure why, but sometimes my camera be acting like it doesn't recognize my face. It's the same person 24/7, so how do you not recognize my face? If I have a mask on, of course I understand, but sometimes I've had where my phone will unlock and I had a mask on and I just didn't get it. But I'm like, okay, when I don't have a mask on and my phone is directly in front of me or below me, you're acting like you don't recognize that it's me.
Stop it. Get some help.
I don't understand at all. And it can sometimes be annoying when I'm driving and I have my phone in my car mount and I'm trying to unlock it by slightly glancing at it, because I'm not a person that's going to be sitting here texting and driving or something like that. I don't like to take my eyes off the road. It's already bad enough. It's too many distractions out there, so I try to keep it all focused. And I glance over trying to unlock it and it acts like it doesn't recognize my face. I don't like that. On my iPhone 8 Plus, I could just hover my finger over the home screen, boom, unlocks. It was so much more convenient, and I did not have a problem with like struggling to get my phone unlocked like I do now at times. So Apple, please do better, thank you. The third con would be the speaker. Not like as in the quality of the music, but when I'm talking on the speaker, like, and I'm talking on the phone to someone, I don't know why, but for some reason it seems like the speaker doesn't work that well. And so sometimes if I walk away and I'm still talking, it gets really choppy. And I've had instances where people were like, oh, I can't understand you. It went in and out, and I don't understand it either, because when I had my 8 Plus, I didn't have that problem at all. So I'm not sure, is it something to do with like, I don't know. I'm not gonna say it could be my phone carrier, but on my old phone I didn't have that problem at all. So I'm not sure what exactly is going on. And I also noticed my sister has the exact same phone as me. When she's on speaker and she takes a couple steps back and she's talking, it's going in and out too. So I think it's an iPhone 11 thing. So yeah. Now we're on to pros. I love that the fact my phone is not red anymore, so that a lot of cases like I wanted to order or have ordered looks super cute. Like I kept the clear case mostly the whole time I had my red iPhone, because a lot of cases I wanted it just didn't look right at all. So I just stuck to having a clear case. Here's my case now. It's giving palm trees, you know, tropical vibes. And there's also glitter. I can't see you, so I'm not sure. We'll see when I'm editing if you can actually see the glitter. If not, this is not gonna be included. I like the color. I love it so much. It's so pretty. It's not like overbearing. It's not too plain, because I thought about getting a white one and I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna get purple. Like, it's calm. It's just like a little hint of purple. It's not too much, and I really do enjoy that. Next pro is the graphics. It's a lot more clear than my last phone, and it's like, I think I've gotten to the point to where now I don't notice it anymore, but I knew immediately when I got this phone that I was like, this is a lot better. It's just so much crystal clear, and I really do enjoy it. I also like how that I can have my font either bigger or smaller, and it just still looks really clear. That's a plus. Next pro is the camera quality. It is so much better. I love it. Like, I take photos in portrait a lot of times, but I've been trying to switch back and forth because I don't want like all my pictures just to be straight in portrait, but also I like taking front camera portrait pictures. It's amazing, it really is. And I'm like getting into editing my photos on my iPhone instead of like using the app. So convenient. I love it. It's a lot better than my 8 Plus. I fixed one of my like back camera issues I was having. In my last video, I was talking about that I noticed that when I would take photos on my back camera that it was blurry, and then until I zoomed in, it just would like go back to normal and it wasn't blurry anymore. I did not understand it at all. So what I did was I watched a YouTube video. Also, I searched on Google, read forums and stuff like that. And what I had to do was I had to go into my settings under camera, and I think I had to change it from being high efficiency. Whatever the phone setting came in when I first got it, I just had to switch it. It was only 2 options, so whatever it was when I first got it, just switch it to the other one, and it completely changed. Because I was just like, I'm not gonna be dealing with these blurry photos, honey. Like, I gotta sharpen every single one of them. I did not understand it at all why I did it, but I took it off. I did, and so now I don't have that problem anymore. Next pro is the size. I love me a big screen, and this is why I was kind of scared when I got this phone. I was just like, what if it's too small? Like, I'm going from an 8 Plus to iPhone 11. I'm like, what if the screen is too small? And I'm just like, I feel like I'm squinting trying to see stuff. And so I was nervous, but then I kept looking at it and I was just like, let me look at the, you know, specs, and the screen size is actually bigger than my 8 Plus. I'm like, I should be fine, and I am, because the screen is so much bigger, but the phone is a lot smaller. It's just like they knew how to do it this time. They knew how to make the screen and phone be proportionate, and it's not too much phone all at once. And like, my phone can actually fit in my pocket. I had a bad problem with that having an iPhone 8 Plus. If it wasn't in my back pocket, it would not fit in my pocket at all. I can put this in my front pocket and have no problems at all, so that's amazing. Next pro is battery life. My battery lasts so much longer. I think my 8 Plus battery health was about, I think, 82%, and right now I've had this phone since I think May, and it said 98%. The battery is just amazing. Sometimes I'll let my battery get so low to like 4% just because I was just ripping and running and didn't have no time to charge it at all, but it jumps back up quick too. Like, I have that new charger, I don't know, is it Type-C charger or something like that? It's not the little regular square that we normally get, but I got it at Best Buy for $20, and that charger don't be playing no games, okay? I can put my phone on the charger. 20 minutes later, I got some good juice going. Now, we know the little square would not be doing it, and I don't have time, okay? We're bougie now, and I gotta get my battery as quick as possible, so yes ma'am. The only time I notice my battery is draining is like, of course, from apps that's constantly taking it, like Snapchat. I don't even really get on Snapchat like that, and when I DoorDash. Another pro is Siri. Siri is way more helpful. Sometimes she has her moments, and like, she has her own little attitude, and I'll be asking certain stuff, and she be acting like, you know, I didn't ask her that, or she'll do something completely different. I'm like, you're not even answering my question, you're just giving me recommendations. I don't like that. But like, I like how she's more responsive, and I can have an AirPod in and say, hey Siri, do this, and she immediately can do it and stuff like that. I didn't really have that on my iPhone 8 Plus. I don't know, is it because of the fact that I also did not update my phone to the latest iOS, because I did not have enough storage for that. So I'm not sure if that's the case, and it's just iOS instead of actually my phone, but it is way more responsive. The last pro is the me emoji, or me emoji, however you pronounce it, but being able to have like a little character that looks like me and use it in text and pictures and videos is so fun to me. Like, on my 8 Plus, I could use my me emoji, but I was only able to use it for like still photos, not in videos, not on FaceTime, stuff like that. So it's so fun and cute. I love it. My overall experience with this phone is I love it. It's very different compared to the 8 Plus, but it's a good different. Like, the pros outweigh the cons way more, and I'm very appreciative of it, and I'm probably gonna keep it for like another year or two before I like trade in and get something else. I love how small it is, and there's still plenty of screen. I love how the cases match instantly. I love it. Yeah, hopefully this was very helpful for y'all, because I did not think that this would be a video idea, but hey, since you asked for it, here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. I was kind of, I don't know why I've been biting on my tongue, like, what am I doing? I hope you guys are remaining to be safe out here. Remember, it's a beautiful day to keep moving forward, and I will catch you guys next time. As you can tell, my hair is done. Thank you so much to Ebony, my amazing sister. She came through for real. Like, I had an appointment and that's a whole nother separate video story, okay? And I just had asked Ebony if she could help me because I was losing my wits, okay? But here are my locks. They're 36 inches, super long. Be prepared for a video on this as well. I'm gonna be showing y'all on how to do multiple styles, you know. Yes, ma'am. They're very lightweight. Like, I love it. Let me show y'all. Check me out. Ooh. Ooh. Killing it. I also forgot to show y'all outfit deets. Nothing special for real because this is my work outfit. Here are these jeans I got from Fashion Nova. My dirty Vans. T-shirt from Walmart, you know. I don't know really too much what else to say about that one. Be on the lookout. Have your notifications turned on. Period. Poo.
I like being real aggressive. When she get on this camera, she gets
No, I don't.
real
Okay,
aggressive.
all right. Why am I biting my tongue? Okay, say peace out. I'm putting this in this so your mom can see it.